We have all heard the mantra, no pain, no gain. Many are addicted to the grind. We think that if we aren't sweating, bleeding, or shaking, we aren't making progress. But what if I told you that the time you spend in the gym is actually when you are getting weaker? Welcome to Dr. Levitas. Think about it. When you lift a heavy weight, you are tearing muscle fibers. You are creating micro-trauma. You are depleting your energy stores. You walk out of the gym biologically damaged. So, when do you actually get stronger? When do you get bigger? It happens when you close your eyes. It happens when you stop moving. The gym is just the architect handing over the blueprints. Sleep is the builder that actually pours the concrete. If you are training like a beast but sleeping like a baby bird, you are wasting your time. Today, we are going to fix your recovery. Stick around because we are going to explore the growth window, the time for maximal muscle growth. We are going to uncover why cortisol is eating your biceps, why alcohol is the cancel button for your gains, and why taking a week off from the gym might be the secret to adding 20 pounds to your bench press. And please take a second to hit that like button and leave a comment. This is an effortless way to really support the channel. Let's start with the chemical enemy, cortisol. We talked about stress before, but in the context of lifting, cortisol is the anti-gains hormone. It is catabolic. That means to break down tissue. When you train hard, your body releases cortisol. This is a natural response to the stress of lifting. But here is the problem. Cortisol competes with your T levels. They are like two cars trying to park in the same spot. If cortisol is parked on your receptors, your T cannot get in to flip the growth switch. If you overtrain, if you go 7 days a week, 2 hours a day, your cortisol stays chronically high. You are essentially paying a demolition crew to work overtime on your own house. You are breaking down muscle faster than you can build it. So, how do we fire the demolition crew? We sleep, but not just any sleep. We need deep sleep. We are talking about stage 3 and 4. This is biologically fascinating. Your pituitary gland is a pharmacy. During the day, it is mostly closed. But shortly after you fall into deep, slow-wave sleep, it opens the floodgates. Approximately 70 to 75% of your daily human growth hormone, also known as HGH, is released during this deep sleep window. Human growth hormone is the master repair hormone. It tells your cells to duplicate. It tells your body to burn fat and build muscle. If you sleep 5 hours a night, you are missing the biggest HGH pulse of the day. You are training naturally, but recovering like you have low testosterone. Now, let's look at the clock. How long do you actually have to grow? There is a myth that you need to drink a protein shake within 30 minutes of working out, the well-known anabolic window. The truth is much more forgiving, but also more demanding. When you hit a muscle group hard, muscle protein synthesis, which is the building process, remains elevated for 24 to 48 hours. This means if you train chest on Monday, your chest is still trying to grow on Tuesday night. If you go back and train chest again on Tuesday, or if you don't eat enough protein on Tuesday, you are interrupting the process. You need to feed the builder for 2 full days after the workout. This is why rest days are not do-nothing days. They are growth days. And speaking of feeding the body, we have to talk about the weekend disruptor. I'm not here to be the fun police, but you need to know the biochemistry. Muscle growth is triggered by a signaling pathway called mTOR. Think of mTOR as the foreman blowing the whistle to start construction. Research shows that alcohol suppresses mTOR activity. It essentially mutes the signal. If you have a heavy leg workout on Friday afternoon, and then go out and have 5 drinks on Friday night, you have physically done the work, but chemically cancelled the paycheck. Your body stops prioritizing muscle repair and switches 100% of its focus to clearing the acetate, or the toxin, from your liver. You can train, or you can drink. You cannot do both and expect to be elite. Sometimes, the best way to move forward is to stop moving. This is the concept of deloading. Every 8 to 12 weeks, your central nervous system accumulates fatigue. Your grip gets weaker. Your sleep gets worse. Your joints ache. You hit a plateau. Most people try to push through. They add more weight. They take more pre-workout. The smart athlete takes a deload week. This means dropping your weight by 50% or not going to the gym at all for 5 to 7 days. Why? It allows the supercompensation effect. Now, let me be clear. This doesn't mean to stay in the bed watching TV without moving at all. It means doing lighter activity. While you rest, your fatigue drops off a cliff. But your fitness? Your muscle? It stays. When you come back after that week, you are fresh, your central nervous system is recharged, and you often smash your personal bests. You didn't get weaker by resting. You got realized. Finally, what do we do on those off days? Do we sit on the couch? No, we do active recovery. Your lymphatic system, which is the sewage system of the body, does not have a pump like the heart. It relies on muscle contraction to move lymph fluid and clear out waste products, also known as metabolites, from your sore muscles. If you sit still for 24 hours after a heavy squat session, that waste sits in your legs. You stay sore longer. By going for a 20-minute walk, or doing some light mobility work, you act as the pump. You flush the bad stuff out and bring fresh, nutrient-rich blood in. You don't recover by rotting. You recover by flowing. So, here is the doctor's verdict. The gym is the stimulus. It is the question you ask your body. Can you handle this? Sleep and food are the answer. Yes, we can build it stronger. If you keep asking the question without waiting for the answer, you are just breaking yourself. Respect the builder. Go to sleep. Let's check your next step. Here is my challenge for you. Let's call it the sleep audit. For the next 7 days, I want you to treat your sleep with the same discipline you treat your gym sets. Set a reverse alarm clock, an alarm that tells you when to get in bed, not when to get up. Aim for 8 hours. If you are training hard, aim for 9. See how your lifts change when you are fully charged. I'm Dr. Levitas. Grow muscle in your sleep, and I'll see you in the next video. Watch this video suggestion, it was especially picked for you. Also share, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It helps a ton with the algorithm. Remain tuned for future videos to empower your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.